Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This is the Diecaster. Today we're going to be doing a full model unboxing of NG's latest releases from August, which actually arrived earlier this afternoon. I just gotten home from work. There's only one package here right now, however it says on the label that it's one of two. So right now I'm recording this, it's roughly about 10:30, it's the 22nd. So I doubt the other one is not going to come until tomorrow. And they usually don't put the FedEx boxes in mailboxes, so I'm assuming that the other one will probably come tomorrow. Yeah, this is, I'm not sure how many I have coming entirely. I think there's 6 of them total. I don't think there's 6 in this box, just because I know some of them that I ordered were larger, so I doubt that they got 6 models, especially because I'm really excited about one that's coming in, which I'm hoping we will see in the next video, which will be continued, because there's 6 models total, but I highly doubt there's, like I said, there's 6 in this box. So I already opened the box just to kind of make the video go a little bit quicker. I'm really excited to be doing another video. It's been a long time since I've done a video, a few months, just haven't had the time with everything going on. So let's get right into it. We'll get started, and as always, thanks very much for watching. All right, so I'm just kind of hoping my phone does not fall over. All right, so we'll just get right into it. And did order this from Waffle Collectibles, so he usually uses the newspaper as the method for protecting the model in transit, and it works out pretty well. So the first one we have is the Southwest 737-800. So to me, it looks like this is a little bit brighter than the last one that they released. I believe that one had scimitars, and this one was supposed to be the one without it. So to me, I could go over and grab the one out of my dresser drawer over there where I do keep them, just because I'm running out of space to store these boxes. I'm pretty sure that this is a lot lighter colored. I think the other one looked a lot darker. So it's going to be quite the find when I get this open to see and kind of compare the two. I'm not sure if you can see. I don't even think I can see from here, but it's all the way at the very tippy top of my shelf straight ahead. You won't be able to see it, but I can see it from here, and it looks a lot darker than the one that's in this box. So that'll be the true tale of the tape if I actually compare the two and see that that one's a hell of a lot darker. And what they probably did, they probably released this one to fix it. They just did it without scimitars, would be my guess. But hopefully the colors are right. They look right on the box, which just has lovely, box art as always by NG. They never tend to disappoint in that department. So really, really excited about this one. Southwest models usually tend to be rare, very, very popular. So anything Southwest related, I usually have my hands on. So we'll go ahead and move this one off to the side. Doesn't sound broken, so that's a good sign. I guess we'll just have to find that out once we actually get it open. So next one, you can already see exactly what it is. So we have the Delta SkyTeam 737-800. Really, really excited about this one. I actually asked NG if they had ever planned on making this diecast model. I used to work for Delta back in the day, so I still try to keep my Delta fleet updated with the most current aircraft. So I absolutely had to get my hands on this one. I was going to order 2 of them, but where I don't have my airport set up right now, routes, all that fun stuff, I just didn't bother. So I figured one would be enough for the time being. Maybe I'll run into one in the future whenever I actually get an airport set up, which I hope will be soon. I'm trying to figure out a game plan for that, so I'll be able to keep you guys updated on it once I figure out exactly what I'm going to do. So we'll move that one to the side, and as always by NG, the beautiful box art. Love the SkyTeam logo in the background. Really brings out the contrast of the model in the front of the box, so really, really cool. All right, so it does look like there's only 2 more. We'll just kind of go for this one here. I'm just trying to get them a little bit loose. All right, so the next one we have, pardon the noise of the paper, so we have the Luxury Jet American 757-200. This one's without the winglets. And it's got the Luxury Jet titling on the front of the nose. Just the normal livery. I don't think this one is a special. Just the normal chrome livery, which I miss every single day. Grandpa flew these for 36 years. Flew this, the 767, everything from that, all the way down to the DC-3 with Ozark back in like the 50s. So really nice to have this, just a sentimental piece. Just because my grandpa flew for American for a very long time. and just kind of worked his way up through the mergers and the buyouts and everything like that. And he finished off. He was actually TWA's number 2 pilot when American actually bought out TWA, which is really, really cool. So anyways, this one does have some sentimental value just for that reason. So we'll set that one aside. This is kind of what the box looks like. Really, really nice colors. Liking the 757, kind of like that retro look for the font. Really, really liking that. So NG definitely crushed that one out of the park. All right, so you guys can probably already see what the next one is here. So the final one for tonight's video, had to order this to go with the 300 that I have by Gemini Jets. Either that's Gemini Jets or Phoenix. I don't think Gemini Jets has released this, but we have the Fiji A330 200. Really liking the NG mold for the A330. I think it's one of the best molds out there. Better than Gemini, better than Phoenix. Not bashing them, just it's a lot more, you know, a lot more better wouldn't be the term. That doesn't really make sense, but I think it's well produced, better than, you know, Gemini Jets and Phoenix, and that's, you know, no offense towards them because they also make good die-cast models, JC Wings, all of them. But I really like the way the A330 came out for NG. So, but other than that, it's the end of the video. Beautiful box art. Really, really liking that a lot. Really, really love. I can't say it enough how much they put into the box art. It just looks amazing. So, anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I know I really don't stay active a lot, and it's not really fair to a lot of the supporters that I have. So I really appreciate all my subscribers, all the likes, comments, you know, rates, all that fun stuff. And I really do appreciate it. And like I always do, if you ever subscribe to my channel, I subscribe right back every time. So if you subscribe, I'll subscribe right back. I'm going to try to get more active. I always say that, so probably won't happen, but I'm going to try to make it happen for once. So hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to tune in next time for unboxing number 2, which should hopefully come either tomorrow or the next day. Hope you guys have a good one. We'll see ya.